Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Naazalivlogandrecipes. Today I'm making something creamy, dreamy, and packed with flavor, a simple coconut egg gravy that will steal your heart in just one bite. Start with the hot kadai and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Yes, I will suggest you to take coconut oil here because coconut oil will enhance the flavor of the curry. Now in go 2 tablespoon of coriander seed and half tablespoon of fennel seeds. Give it a good mix. I am adding 4 green chillies, but if you are a spicy lover, go wild with 6. Roast only for a minute, just enough to wake up those spices, not burn them. Add in 2 medium-sized onion. Fry for a while. Add salt to taste. Now time to build the magic. Cover this and cook for 2 minutes. Now goes in 5 to 6 clove garlic, 1 inches of ginger and 1 tomato. Mix it well. Add 10 to 12 cashew nut and handful of coriander leaves. You can feel the aroma already here. Ratio alert: for every 4 onions, go with 2 tomatoes. Balance is key of this gravy. Top it all off with 1 cup grated coconut and let it cook covered for 2 minutes. This blend is going to be our rich creamy base. Now blend it all into a fine paste. Back to the kadai, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry till the raw smell fades away. Add boiled eggs, slightly slit and roast gently. This step gives them so much flavor. Time to pour in that coconut masala paste, smooth, creamy, aromatic. Add 1 cup of water to adjust the gravy. I added 1 packet of Maggi masala and half teaspoon of garam masala here just to boost the flavor. Totally optional. You can skip it if you like. Take 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi on a tawa and dry roast it. And finally, I sprinkled some roasted kasuri methi for that beautiful aroma at the end. Serve hot with rice, chapati, or dosa. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this easy Mangalorean style egg gravy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipe. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.